Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. Here's a new video about exercise 33 where we're gonna calculate the circumference, and the first question is that we have a circle of 60 centimeters, with a diameter of 60 centimeters, and we need to calculate the circumference in centimeters, and we need to correct it at one decimal place. Now, first of all, what is a diameter? Now, if we just make a sketch of a circle, then the diameter is a line through the center from one side from the circle to the other side of the circle. Yeah, so this is 16 centimeters. All right. To calculate the circumference of the circle, we need to do pi times the diameter, which is 16 centimeters. Yeah, so if I calculate this one, you get 50,3 centimeters. Yeah, because the second number is a 6, which means that if I round it in one decimal place, it's 3. And do not forget the unit behind your answer, especially with those kind of exercises. Yeah? Alright, just some extra information. From the center to one side is not a diameter anymore, but is the radius. The radius of a circle. Alright, exercise B. A circle has a radius of 38,6 centimeters. Alright, so if we have a radius of 38,6 centimeter, then the diameter is the 38,6 multiplying with 2. Yeah, so 2 times the radius, we got the diameter. Alright, so times 2 is 77,2 centimeters. If we calculate the circumference of exercise B, we need to multiply the 77,2 with pi. And the answer is 242,53, because here we need to round it in 2 decimal places, and again centimeter. Alright, so that's exercise B. Exercise C is that the diameter of Simon's bike, the wheel of Simon's bike, is 52 centimeters. So this is 52 centimeters. Simon cycles to his grandma in 20 minutes. He cycles at 21 kilometers per hour. How many times did the wheel turn? Alright, now in that case we need to know what is the circumference from Simon's wheel. Now, to calculate the circumference, we need to do pi times 52. And pi times 52 is 163,36, etc. centimeters. Now, the time to grandma was 20 minutes, and he cycles 21 kilometers per hour. So 21 kilometers per hour is exactly the same as 21 kilometers in 60 minutes. Which means if I divide the 21 kilometers by 3, 21 divided by 3, then you get exactly 7 kilometers. So it is 7 kilometers in 20 minutes. Yeah, because if I divide 60 by 3, then you get 20. So you even need to divide the 21 by 3. Alright, so very important is that the speed is 7 kilometers in 20 minutes. The circumference was 163,36 etc. centimeters. Alright, so let me just convert the 7 kilometers in centimeters. So 7 kilometers is 7,000 meters and 70,000 centimeters. Which means if I want to do how many times the wheel will turn, we need to divide the 700,000 by the 163,36 unrounded, please. And then we know how many times the wheel will turn. Now, if I just put this calculation in my calculator, then the answer is 4,284, 94, etc. So how many times did the wheel turn? That you just rounded it whole numbers, so you get 4. Do not have plenty space, so I'm gonna do it there. 4,285 times. Yeah, so very important that you round it in a whole number. Alright, let me just look at the last part, because some of you do not know how to push that calculation with 700,000 divided with that previous answer. Alright, let I just explain it here, how you can fill in this one in your calculator. Now, first of all, you're gonna start with the calculation pi times 52, because then you will find in your screen of your calculator 163,36 etc. centimeters. Now, if I want to do the other answer of the other calculation, the 700,000 divide with that 163,36, then we're gonna push the ans button. So beneath you will find somewhere the answer of the button ANS, which means answer. Yeah, the previous answer what was in your screen. So, and then you get 4,284,94, etc. Yeah, so very important, because then you're gonna go on with an unrounded answer. Right, so that was exercise 33 from page number 158.